Today we are doing a summer shower routine for the perfect glowy sunless tan in just a few easy steps. If you want a flawless tan without the sun damage, just keep watching. For my first cleanse, I'm going in with the Dove Sensitive Bar Soap. This is my absolute go-to for all routines. It gives the perfect clean base without stripping the skin. We're starting off with the upper body first and then making sure to get the lower half. We want a completely clean canvas before we do any of our prep work. Next up, I have my shave gel and razor. Shaving is an important step if you want a successful self-tan because it removes any dead skin and hair that the tan might cling to. We're getting the legs nice and smooth, and of course, we're getting the underarms. Now, the real secret to a perfect tan is exfoliation. I'm using the First Aid Beauty Body Scrub, which is one of my new favorites. Exfoliating before you self-tan is a non-negotiable. It buffs away rough patches so your tan fades evenly and looks completely natural. I'm working that scrub into the upper half of my body, then taking it down to the lower half. If you like this type of content, I post weekly videos, so don't forget to like and subscribe. For our final cleanse, I'm using the Naturium Multivitamin Daily Body Wash. This is one of my favorite body washes from their line, and I love the way it lathers. Naturium has so many good body washes, so let me know down in the comments if you'd like a dedicated video on my favorite body washes and body care from this line, and I'll make a video from you. So now we're just going to go ahead and do a full body wash as our final step and get everything rinsed away. All done, make sure to dry off completely. For a natural looking tan, I'm using the Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Foam in the shade Dark. I just pump it straight onto the mitt and work it into my arms using long sweeping motions. Everything that I do on the left, I'm going to do on the right side as well, and you want to make sure you work it into your chest and back area. Also use whatever is left on the mitt on your hands and wrists so it doesn't look too heavy. Then we're going to move down to the legs. Take your time here to make sure everything is blended out evenly. And here is how everything looks right after application, nice and even.
6 hours later.
Fast forward, I let the tan develop, hop back in the shower for a quick rinse, and look at the results. The skin looks beautiful, bronzed, and incredibly glowy. I use these two products to lock in the moisture and keep the tan looking fresh. I am absolutely obsessed with the results and how it turned out. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.